A quality car interior stain remover quickly eliminates tough stains, restores upholstery, preserves your vehicle's appearance, and helps maintain long-lasting cleanliness and value. My today's video is about top 5 best car stain remover interior that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Maxlone 20-ounce car spray. The Maxlone car spray is a practical solution for anyone who wants a fast, effective way to keep their vehicle looking clean without using water. Its spray and wipe formula removes light dirt, dust, fingerprints, and road grime, making it perfect for quick touch-ups at home, work, or while traveling. Unlike traditional car wash methods, it requires no hose, bucket, or lengthy setup, saving both time and effort. What makes this product stand out is its advanced triphene technology, which forms a durable hydrophobic barrier on the paint. This protective layer helps repel water, dirt, and contaminants while enhancing the vehicle's shine with a smooth, polished finish. Regular use can also make future cleaning easier by reducing the buildup of grime. Compact, convenient, and easy to apply, the Maxlone car spray is an excellent choice for drivers who want professional-looking results and lasting paint protection with minimal work. Now our second product is Lithium Hyper Cleanse Car Interior Cleaner. Hyper Cleanse is an impressive interior car cleaner designed to restore your vehicle's cabin with minimal effort. Its advanced formula quickly removes dirt, grime, and everyday buildup from leather, vinyl, plastic, and fabric surfaces, making routine detailing faster and more effective. Even stubborn stains like ink, denim transfer, grease, and oil are tackled with remarkable cleaning power, helping your interior regain a fresh, well-maintained appearance. Crafted in small batches with premium, highly concentrated ingredients, Hyper Cleanse delivers professional-level results without relying on harsh solvents. Instead of leaving surfaces dry or faded, it preserves their natural finish while conditioning and protecting them for long-lasting beauty. The residue-free formula ensures a clean, smooth look that feels as good as it appears. Backed by Lithium Auto Elixir's commitment to quality and performance, Hyper Cleanse is an excellent choice for car owners seeking a reliable, high-performance interior cleaner that delivers showroom-worthy results with every application. Our third product is Car Guy's Interior Car Cleaner. Super Cleaner is a versatile all-purpose car cleaner that delivers professional-grade results with minimal effort. Its concentrated formula effectively breaks down stubborn dirt, grease, oil, and deeply embedded stains that many standard interior cleaners struggle to remove. Whether you're dealing with food spills, muddy carpets, or greasy steering wheels, it restores surfaces with just light agitation. One of its biggest advantages is its multi-surface compatibility. It safely cleans leather, fabric, upholstery, carpet, vinyl, plastic, rubber, metal, and even many non-painted exterior and household surfaces, eliminating the need for multiple specialized products. The no-rinse formula makes cleaning quick and convenient. Simply spray, wipe with the included professional microfiber towel, and enjoy a spotless finish. Unlike many cleaners, it leaves no sticky residue or greasy film behind, preserving the natural look and feel of every surface. With an 18-ounce bottle that lasts through numerous cleaning sessions and a satisfaction guarantee, Super Cleaner offers outstanding value, convenience, and dependable performance for keeping your vehicle looking its best. Now number 4, Tesla Seat Cleaner and Stain Remover. Tesla Interior Cleaner is an excellent solution for maintaining the clean, modern appearance of Tesla interiors. Specially formulated for Tesla's vegan leather, it effectively removes common stains such as blue jean dye, food spills, sunscreen residue, and everyday dirt without causing discoloration or damaging delicate surfaces. The gentle yet powerful formula delivers streak-free results, helping restore seats and interior trim to a like-new condition. Beyond the seats, this cleaner is versatile enough for dashboards, floor mats, door panels, and other interior surfaces across Tesla Model S, Model 3, Model X, Model Y, including the Model Y Juniper and Cybertruck. Its simple spray and wipe application makes routine maintenance fast and hassle-free, while the non-abrasive formula helps preserve the premium finish of your vehicle. Manufactured and bottled in the USA by Tesla owners who understand the brand's unique materials, Teslaner Interior Cleaner offers dependable quality, safe performance, and professional-level results, making it an ideal choice for keeping any Tesla interior spotless and well protected. And our last choice is Chemical Guy's Lightning Fast Carpet. Chemical Guy's Lightning Fast Stain Extractor is a professional-grade cleaner that delivers exceptional performance on carpets, upholstery, and fabric surfaces. Its powerful formula penetrates deep into fibers to break down stubborn stains, embedded dirt, and unpleasant odors, restoring materials to a cleaner, fresher appearance. From coffee, soda, wine, and food spills to pet accidents, it effectively tackles tough messes without damaging delicate fabrics. Safe for both natural and synthetic fibers, this versatile cleaner works equally well on automotive interiors, home furniture, office chairs, rugs, mats, RVs, boats, and more. The convenient spray application makes cleaning simple. Just spray, lightly agitate with a brush, then blot or vacuum for impressive results. Its hyper-concentrated 20:1 formula provides excellent value, allowing one bottle to produce multiple cleaning solutions for extended use. Trusted by professional detailers, Lightning Fast Stain Extractor leaves no harsh residue while refreshing surfaces with a clean scent, making it an outstanding choice for anyone seeking reliable, deep cleaning performance at home or on the road. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.